and friendly farm animals. Cow. This is cow. The cow gives us fresh milk every day and loves to eat green grass. Sheep. This is sheep. The sheep gives us soft wool and likes to walk together in groups. Horse. This is horse. The horse runs very fast and helps farmers carry heavy loads. Turkey. This is turkey. The turkey says gobble gobble and likes to walk proudly around the farm. Rabbit. This is rabbit. The rabbit loves to hop around the field and eat crunchy carrots. Cat. This is cat. The cat says meow, loves to play with yarn, and sleeps in sunny spots. Dog. This is dog. The dog barks loudly, guards the farm, and is our best friend. Goose. This is goose. The goose loves to swim in the pond and honk happily all day long.